Good morning class. Today we start class 7 science chapter number 2 nutrition in animals and book is Universal Science class 7. So every living organism requires food for getting energy so that he can perform all its day-to-day life activities. Then what is nutrition? Nutrition, it is the process of intake of food from external sources and then utilization of these nutrients present in the food for energy, growth, development. तो एवरी ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है फूड इनटेक करता है अपनी बॉडी के अंदर और उससे वो एनर्जी प्राप्त करता है ताकि उसकी ग्रोथ हो सके और डेवलपमेंट हो सके उसका और बॉडी की जो मेंटेनेंस होती है टिश्यूज की और सेल्स की वो कर सके। न्यूट्रिशन हैज 5 स्टेप्स। वन इज इंजेशन, डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन, एसिमिलेशन एंड इंजेशन। नाउ लेट वी विल अंडरस्टैंड वन बाय वन व्हाट इज इंजेशन, डाइजेशन एटसेट्रा। So what is ingestion? The process of putting the food into the mouth is called ingestion. In this, the organism puts food into the mouth. For example, human beings swallow food after chewing. Human being जो है swallow करते हैं food को after chewing और herbivore animals भी swallow करते हैं grass और leaves को। और आपका जो फ्रॉग है, फ्रॉग हैज ए वेरी लॉन्ग स्टिकी टीथ, लॉन्ग स्टिकी टंग so that he can capture its food. And the second step is digestion, the process of breaking down the complex food into simpler compound is called digestion. जैसे हम कोई भी फूड खाते हैं तो उसमें कॉम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं, तो डाइजेशन में क्या करते हैं हम ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड को इनटू सिंपलर कंपाउंड। थर्ड स्टेप इज एब्जॉर्प्शन। आफ्टर डाइजेशन द सिंपलर कंपाउंड्स आर एब्जॉर्ब्ड बाय द ब्लड एंड देन ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स इन द बॉडी। यानी कि जो आपका फूड सिंपलर कंपाउंड्स में कन्वर्ट हो चुका है उसको हमारा जो ब्लड है वो वहां से लेकर के ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ द बॉडी को वो पहुंचाता है। इसके बाद फोर्थ स्टेप है एसिमिलेशन। तो एसिमिलेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स फॉर एनर्जी, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट इज कॉल्ड एसिमिलेशन। यानी कि जो फूड आपने एब्जॉर्ब किया है उसका बॉडी के अंदर जो सेल है वो यूटिलाइज करती हैं फॉर द एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन, फॉर द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट। फाइनल स्टेप है इजेशन। तो इस स्टेप में क्या होता है? द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ अनडाइजेस्टेड एंड अनएब्सॉर्ब्ड फूड फ्रॉम द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड इजेशन। इजेशन का मतलब है बॉडी से जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं या जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है उसको हम बॉडी से थ्रो आउट करते हैं आउटसाइड द एनवायरनमेंट, आउटसाइड एनवायरनमेंट। तो इस प्रोसेस को हम इजेशन कहते हैं। नाउ वी विल study next topic in the next video. Thank you. Good morning students. Today we will study second chapter of class 7 nutrition in animals. It is the second video in which we study about human digestive system. Human digestive system is made up of number of organs which are mouth, this is also called buccal cavity, esophagus, it is also called food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. In addition to this, there are some associated glands which are called salivary glands, liver and pancreas. All these organ systems make a complete human digestive system which is also known as digestive tract or alimentary canal. This alimentary canal is about 9 meters long in an adult human. So let us study first one by one each part. So first we will study mouth. So mouth has 3 parts: teeth, tongue and salivary glands. Digestion of food starts as soon as we put the food into the mouth, and first of all the saliva is secreted by tongue. Saliva is a juice which is secreted by tongue and it is secreted by salivary glands in the tongue, and function of this saliva is to digest complex starch and carbohydrate with the help of salivary amylase into simple sugar, which is called maltose. And tongue is a special muscular organ which can be rolled into the mouth anywhere, and it helps in mixing the food with the saliva. So saliva and food are mixed with the help of tongue, and this tongue also has small bud-like structures which are called taste buds, and these taste buds help in detecting the taste, for example sour, bitter, sweet and salt. These tastes can be detected by taste buds in the tongue. Now come to the teeth. There are two sets of teeth in every human life. First, milk teeth. Milk teeth start at the child stage when a child is of 6 months, and they last up to 8 years, and these are 20 in number, and these are also called temporary teeth, which fall after the age of 8 years. Then we start permanent teeth after the age of 8 years, and they last till the life. They are 32 in numbers. So these teeth have been divided into 4 parts. One is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So function of incisor is to help in biting and cutting the food, and there are 4 in each jaw. And the function of canine is to tear the food, and there are 2 in each jaw. And premolars are used for crushing the food, and there are 4 in each jaw. And molars, so molars are used for chewing and grinding the food, and they are 6 in numbers in each jaw. And in this way food can be digested in the teeth, tongue and salivary glands. And that's all. Now we will study in next video.